So, Suman, so you have like immense experience in test automation, right? So, from your experience of working in different companies, what are your thoughts on like should the automation be part of as a separate team's responsibility, or should like it be like every team member owning test automation? So, what's your experience and what's your thoughts on this?
Yeah, I've done both kind of roles. Um, I feel when automation lives in a separate team, you create a handoff problem.
Mm.
The automation team doesn't deeply understand the domain, business logic. Meanwhile, the feature teams don't understand automation code base. Every automation need becomes a requirement gathering exercise, learning to misleading misunderstandings, back and forth clarifications, and delays. You're always chasing up, and by the time the feature delivery team wants to release the product, that is not automated, and you do lots of manual regression. And it also becomes as like a someone else job. So
Yeah,
developers and testers on the feature team lose that skill and mindset of building a testable and automatable product. They don't learn automation best practices, and the quality of the product design suffers as a result. My suggestion would be having embedded first individuals within the team. You might have a member who's focusing on automation, who's a like automation specialist, because by embedding a automation within the team, there are multiple benefits you can unlock. The first one is quality, ownership, and accountability. When teams own their automation, they own their quality.
yeah,
There's no finger pointing when tests are flaky or missing. The same people who are building the features, who are testing the features, are now responsible for making sure those features work reliable and creating a healthy, faster feedback loop. You also do a better test design because the people now who are writing the test, they understand the feature more. They know which scenarios are critical, which edge case matter, and how systems should behave. This result in more meaningful tests rather than superficial coverage. Maybe we'll talk about that, test coverage at some other time. But at the same time, when the person who's writing the test, not just one person, the entire team started taking that accountability and involvement, there's a
yeah,
continuous improvement. Teams refactor their automation continuously as part of their normal work. You're not
yeah.
chasing up anymore. There's no negotiation with another team to fix flaky tests or update outdated automation. So, I think I've touched lots of things.